Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to do a super quick unboxing of the Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2025. You guys know me, I do these almost every year. I did get the XL bag, and I will start with telling you that my bag's total was $388. I'm going to show you what's inside. I did obviously take everything out because I wanted to add it all up. And I don't have the box anymore. I know, I got rid of it. I just took out what was inside. But if you guys want to know what the box looks like and the cute little paper, there are a lot of videos out already. And we're just going to get started. Okay, so here is what was inside of mine. And I am excited. If you guys didn't know, the Lucky Bags come out once a year on December 26th, if I'm correct. And you get a few options. They have the $75 box. They have the $150 box. There's a Jeffree Star box and a Wayne Goss box. And they're usually worth, the value is supposed to be twice almost of what you pay. So the first one is going to be from You Beauty, and it is the Plasma Lip Compound. And I got the shade Rose, which is this right here. And this one has ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. So I love lip products. We already know that. So I am excited about that. Next one is from Good Molecules, and this is the Lightweight Daily Moisturizer. It's this right here. And they always send something from Good Molecules. I have not received their moisturizer before, so I'm okay with that. Next product is going to be the Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze Glow. And this is the midi. And it's the contour palette. And actually, I have like 3 or 4 of those. Hold on. I'll show you the big one because I actually have the full-size one. I think I got this one last year too, because it's got the, or maybe like 2 years ago, it's got the really cute packaging. And this is what it looks like. You got your bronzer, and then you got a really cute highlighter. Okay, so next up is going to be from Viseart. It's this right here. And this is actually the Structure Brow and Shadow. And I was reading online that you can use it as an eyeshadow, as a brow product. And I actually don't have this from them. I usually receive like the eyeshadow palettes, but this one's a total newbie. So we're gonna open it up, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So you have cream shades, and you have, let's see, this 3 right here are your cream shades. And then these are powder shades. Right? Yeah, the rest of them are powder. So I'm excited. This one's totally new, and I love the Viseart stuff. They are just super pigmented, so I love that. Okay, next it's gonna be from Verb, and this is the Dandruff Shampoo. And I don't suffer from dandruff, but listen, it's shampoo. I'm gonna use it anyway. I know. And then we got a little cute slip skinny scrunchie, and it's pink, so I'm perfectly okay with that. And I always use scrunchies, so I like having those. I did get a brush, and this is from Wayne Goss, and it is the F5. And I did look it up online as well, and this one was a blush brush for like, is that really pigmented blushes? This is what it looks like. I love it. It's nice and fluffy. We all know I love brushes, okay? I just do. And we have 2 more things in here. So this one is the, listen, I'm gonna butcher this one. It's the Prunier Plumbody Hydrating Antioxidant Body Cream. This right here alone cost $80. I was like, what? I know, but this is the packaging, and it's unscented, so it's really, really nice and thick, and I do like that. And I like that it's unscented. I actually buy a lot of the unscented lotions because I like to wear a lot of perfume, and it's better to just have the one scent on me. And last thing in the bag is this, and this one, let's see, it's gonna be the Danessa Myricks, the Groundwork Blooming Romance palette. I don't have this one. I do have the first one she came out with, the brown neutral shades. So I like this, and this is what it looks like inside. Look at those colors, totally up my alley. You know, I love pink, I love red. They got everything in here. Here's some nice fun spring summer shades, love it. And this one has the cream and the powders next to them, so not bad, you guys. I believe this one is $65, so I paid $150 and I got $388, and the only repeat was the Filmstar Bronze Glow. Everything else was new to me. I am actually super excited for everything in this box, okay? I've had some not so good ones, and I've had some really good ones. This is actually a really good one for me. There's a lot here, and I'm actually gonna use everything. So what do you guys think? Did you guys pick one up? What was in your box? Let me know down below. I will break down the prices down in the description box, so I'll let you know what each of the products was. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and again, let me know what you guys got and if you guys think I got a pretty good box or not. Have a wonderful week, and I will catch you next time. Bye.